Hey folks, how you doing? I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna talk about the Homgeek Smoothie Blender, and boy, it has power. And as you can see, I got the Christmas gear on, so I'm ready as well. So let's get started. I will leave the link to the product in the description below, so you can look it up whenever you want to. And with that being said, this one right here is the most expensive blender I've bought so far, with a price of about $180. As you may remember, we tested the Safe portable blender a couple of weeks ago, and I was amazed how well it did, even though it was only for like $35. But as you may remember, it has its problems with frozen fruits. Now this one right here, with 2000 watts and 33,000 RPM, it can shred anything.
But let's start with the cup. The container is BPA free, durable and stain resistant. The two-piece lid has a removable lid plug to add ingredients while mixing and has a non-spill pouring spout, so you won't spill your drink or anything while pouring it into the glass. The lid also has a rubber, so once you put it on the cup, it seals completely and nothing will spill out while you are mixing. The cup also holds up to 8 cups of water, which is about 2 liters.
Now the bottom part of the blender is very solid with 4 rubber feet. Now that way, this blender won't move an inch. The next thing I want to talk to you guys is the container, actually the bottom part of the container. As you can see, it has a little metal plug down here. Once you connect this little metal plug to the bottom part of the blender, you will hear this beeping noise only once. So you hear this beeping noise, and once you hear this beeping noise, you know it is on and you're ready to go. Now for the last part before we get into the smoothie making, I will tell you a little bit about the functions. So right here we got the on and off switch. Now it's off, now it's on. We got the variable speeds and some presets. As presets we got the smoothie, we got crushed ice, we got frozen desserts, and we got soups. Now soup is well, you know, it's not heated, so you have cold soups. But if you want to put it in the microwave afterwards, you have a nice warm soup. Now the way it works, you just turn the wheel a little bit. And as you probably heard, it is very noisy, so especially when you're sitting right next to it. Now, with that being explained, let's get into the smoothie making. So folks, now let's get to the last part. As you can see, I got some frozen berries, some soft bananas, and I got some milk, and let's get to the smoothie making. So I have no clue how much it's gonna get, but we will see. Put the lid on, turn it, and we're ready to go. I did the preset now. As you can see, it's a little bit more. Yeah, it is. I didn't expect that. I guess that's enough for the test. So let's see what we got. Put this aside. I'm back. Open it up. I know it has a little lid, but let's see. Ooh, it's very solid. And it smells delicious. So, there we go. Excellent. It tastes pretty good. And oh, almost forgot. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's the same name as my name on the YouTube channel. And with that being said, See you next time. Bye bye.